In this video, I'm excited to walk you through the process of placing a trade using MetaTrader 4. Placing an order in MetaTrader 4 is straightforward. One simple method is to right-click on the trading screen. This will bring up a menu where you can select Trading and then New Order. Alternatively, you can use the F9 shortcut on a Windows computer. So that's the first way to get to the order page, which is this right here. Similarly, the New Order tab is visible directly on the toolbar. Clicking on this icon will open the order window. When you open the order window in MetaTrader 4, it will display the currency symbol of the chart you are currently viewing. For example, the chart is showing Euro-US dollar over here, while the order window automatically display Euro-US dollar symbol as well. Next, you'll need to decide on the trading volume, which is how much you want to trade. A simple guideline is to trade 0.01 lots for every $1,000 in your account, depending on your risk appetite. Next, you'll need to set your stop loss and take profit levels. Enter these values in the designated fields in the order window. You can also add a comment for reference, which could be useful for later analysis, like noting the type of trade such as breakout trade or breakdown trade. For order types, you're likely to use pending orders. Typically, this involves setting buy stops or sell stops if you're following our signals suggestions. A buy stop executes a purchase when the price rises to a certain level, indicating an upward breakout. Conversely, a sell stop triggers a sale when the price falls to a specified level, suggesting a downward breakout. If you're setting a buy stop, you might place it at 1.07920, setting your stop loss at 1.07900 and your take profit at 1.08005. Once you've entered all details, click Place to submit your order. You'll see the order displayed with its entry point, stop loss, and take profit. If you need to adjust or cancel the order, simply right-click on the order in your terminal to modify or delete it. If deleting, you'll see it immediately removed from your screen. To place another order, clicking on this new order icon will open the order window. I would start by selecting the pending order option again and choose the type of order I want, such as a buy stop or a sell stop. For instance, if I decide to sell, I might set a sell stop at 1.07580. I would then set a stop loss at 1.07540 and a take profit at 1.07840. After entering these details, I'll click Place to submit the order. Sometimes errors may occur, such as an invalid stop loss or take profit setting. In such cases, it's important to ensure that the stop loss is higher than a sell stop and that the take profit is correctly set below the sell stop price, and then reattempt placing the order by clicking Place. Once the order is successfully placed, you will see it listed with the sell stop, stop loss, and take profit clearly indicated. If you need to cancel or modify this order, simply go to the order in your terminal. You can also quickly delete the order by clicking the X button next to it. This process shows that placing an order in MetaTrader 4 is straightforward, allowing for quick modifications and deletions to adapt to market changes or correct entries.